In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to include your portfolio project in WordPress, a valuable skill that will highlight your work effectively on any site. Whether you're a freelancer looking to showcase your latest projects or a business owner displaying services, integrating a portfolio into your WordPress site can transform the way visitors perceive your work. Let's jump right in and get started with this process. First, ensure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. This is your site's command center, and we'll work from here to make all the necessary changes. If you haven't logged in yet or if you're not sure how to find this page, just enter your site's URL followed by wp-admin in your browser. Now that we're in the dashboard, let's locate and add a new plugin that we'll use to create our portfolio. Navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Plugins, then choose Add New. Here, you'll find a vast array of plugins, and it's easy to get overwhelmed, but don't worry. Use the search bar at the top right to find a plugin that's reliable and highly rated. An example you might consider is Portfolio Post Type. It's user-friendly and perfect for creating portfolios on WordPress. Once you find a plugin you like, click Install Now, and after a few moments, it will change to Activate. Click Activate to make it ready for use. After activating your desired plugin, you'll notice a new option has appeared in your dashboard menu. Click on this new Portfolio menu item, and select Add New. This is where the magic begins. Start by entering a title for your portfolio project. Think of this like a headline that captures attention, so make sure it's engaging and pithy. Moving down, you'll see a large text box that looks like a blank canvas. This editor is where you'll enter a description of your project. Be detailed in your writing. Explain the project's purpose, your role, and any tools or techniques you use to complete it. Remember, this is not just about what you did, it's about how you did it and why it matters. Once your text is ready, it's time to add visuals because humans are inherently visual beings, and a picture speaks louder than words. Find the Featured Image box on your right. Click Set Featured Image, then choose or upload a relevant image from your media library. Featured images are essential because they're often the first impression your project makes. After saving your content, take a moment to preview how it looks. Click Preview at the top right of the editor screen. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure your portfolio project is presented perfectly. Finally, when you're happy with how everything looks, click Publish. This action takes your project live on your WordPress site. Congratulations! Your portfolio project is now viewable, allowing visitors to better understand your capabilities and creativity. This portfolio will seamlessly integrate into your WordPress theme and be easily accessible for your audience.